This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the South Loop at the 1001 South State Apartment Tower. 1001 has extensive amenities on multiple levels, including a 40th floor outdoor terrace that has dazzling views of the lake and skyline. Join me for a walk around the wraparound 5th floor deck, where there's a hot tub, private cabanas with large screen TVs, a grilling area, an herb garden, a tranquil shaded birch grove, and a fire pit with council seating. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.